Welcome to all of you. In this lecture, we are going to discuss a few problems related to analog filter transformation. This is just a recall of all the filter transformations that was discussed in the previous lecture. Let us go through the problem, the statement. Given a low pass prototype HP is equal to 1 divided by S plus 1, determine the following analog filters. First one, the high pass filter with cutoff frequency of 40 radians per second. Second one, the band pass filter with a center frequency of 100 radians per second and the bandwidth of 20 radians per second. Now let us start with the first one, that is low pass to high pass conversion. So it is given by S is equal to omega C divided by S. The cutoff frequency omega C is given as 40 radians per second. So we can make a substitution, omega C is equal to 40 radians per second. So first let us substitute omega C by S in the given prototype and have a simplification of it. So HP will be equal to 1 divided by, in place of S we are substituting omega C by S plus 1. Omega C is given as 40 radians per second, substituting 40 radians per second. Taking the LCM over here and resolving this, we are going to get S divided by 40 plus S. Therefore, HP will be equal to S divided by S plus 40. So this is low pass prototype specification and we have converted this to the high pass filter. Let us go with the second one. In the second one, the center frequency directly given, that is omega naught, will be equal to 100 radians per second and also bandwidth is given as 20 radians per second, that is W will be equal to 20 radians per second. Now by applying low pass to band pass specifications, we are going to have S is equal to S square plus omega naught square divided by SW. Omega naught is the center frequency, that is also given. W is the bandwidth, that is also given. Now let us have a substitution in the low pass prototype. So HBP will be equal to 1 divided by S square plus omega naught square divided by SW plus 1. So omega naught, the center frequency given as 100, W is the bandwidth given as 20. Make the substitution over here, simplify this, and finally we are going to get that will be equal to 20S divided by S square plus 20S plus 100 square. So this is low pass prototype given and we converted that into the band pass filter. Again, this will be the input is the analog specification and also output is the analog specification. Let us go through one more problem. Let h of s is equal to 1 divided by s square plus s plus 1. Represent the transfer function of a low pass filter with a pass band of 1 radians per second. So that means this is a prototype specification. Use frequency transformations to find the transfer functions of the following analog filters. First one, low pass filter with the pass band of 10 radians per second. That means we need to make low pass to low pass conversion. Second one, a high pass filter with the cutoff frequency of 10 radians per second. So we need to make low pass to high pass conversion. Then a band pass filter with a pass band of 10 radians per second and the center frequency of 100 radians per second, that is low pass to band pass conversion. And finally low pass to band stop conversion, a band stop filter with a stop band of 2 radians per second and center frequency of 10 radians per second. Now let us go through the solution. So given data, h of s is equal to 1 divided by s square plus s plus 1. Let us start one after the other. Low pass to low pass conversion we are going to start with. Now the low pass to low pass conversion H of S at S is equal to S divided by omega C. Make the substitution. So omega C is given as 10 radians per second. By substituting this and simplifying, we are going to get this as the low pass to low pass realization. So one step has been skipped over here, that is the simplification step. So you are required to show that step in the CIE or in the main examination. The next one, low pass to high pass conversion. H of S at S is equal to omega C divided by S. Again omega C here also equal to 10 radians per second. So we have substituted. After simplification, we are going to get the result S square divided by S square plus 10S plus 100. Next one, low pass to band pass transformation. At S is equal to S square plus omega naught square divided by SW we are going to have. By substituting and simplification, so we are going to get this as the final answer. In this case, the substitution to the prototype as well as the simplification step is not shown. You are supposed to show that steps for a detailed solution. Then low pass to band stop conversion. At S is equal to SW divided by S square plus omega naught square. By substituting this and simplifying, we are going to get H of S is equal to this result. So again here also the substitution as well as the simplification step is not shown, but you are supposed to provide that step as a part of the detailed solution. Thanks for joining.